Welcome to the 1970s. We are live at a local recording studio in London. A popular band, who will remain nameless, is here to record their upcoming album entitled A Lac at the Opera. In this sketch, we'll talk about the Lac Operon. The Lac Operon is a set of genes located adjacent to each other and expressed together that allow E. coli to metabolize lactose. Let's draw the soundboard to represent our Lac Operon. Note that the color theme on the back of the studio matches the colors of our soundboard. The Lac Operon contains a catabolite activator protein, or CAP, binding site, promoter, operator, LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A genes. When glucose is absent and lactose is present, LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A genes are expressed, and E. coli can metabolize lactose. We'll use music to quantify Lac Operon gene expression. The Lac Operon is also associated with CAP protein, repressor, and inducer. The LAC-I gene is found outside the Lac Operon and encodes for the repressor protein. This push-to-talk button represents the CAP binding site. When glucose levels are low, CAP protein binds to the CAP binding site to activate transcription. CAP is represented by this band manager. He's wearing a captain's hat and calls himself Cap. He's also wearing a green shirt because CAP is a protein, and for the purpose of this sketch, we'll use the color green to represent any proteins. The band manager encourages the band members to make music by pressing the push-to-talk button. Inside the recording studio, you'll see a microphone representing the promoter site. You'll also see the lead singer, Freddie R. Polymerase. Just in case you didn't know, the R stands for RNA. RNA polymerase binds to the promoter site to initiate transcription, and of course, Freddie uses the microphone to sing. The Lac Operon has an operator region next to the promoter site. We've used a recording operator to represent the operator site. The repressor protein normally binds to the operator site to prevent transcription. You'll see a record label president, or record pres, repress the recording operator. He clearly doesn't want the band to record their album. Who knows why? Yep, he's a repressor protein. All right, let's welcome the other band members, Roger Weiler, John Z. Kahn, and Brian A., who represent LAC-Y, LAC-Z, and LAC-A. LAC-Y encodes for permease, which helps lactose enter the cell. LAC-Z encodes for galactosidase, which hydrolyzes lactose into galactose and glucose. LAC-A encodes for transacetylase, which transfers an acetyl group to lactose, but the function of this protein is still unknown.